How to make thousands from bad debt with little investment. Introduction to the profitable bad debt system. In the financial world, a surprising opportunity lies in the realm of bad debt. The profit from bad debt system is designed to teach small investors how to profit from purchasing bad debt, a market traditionally dominated by large financial institutions. This system empowers individuals to capitalize on the debt purchasing process, which, thanks to initiatives like those under President Obama's leadership, has become accessible to the average investor. With the right strategy, individuals can profit by acquiring bad debt portfolios, even with a small initial investment. Footnote: this section introduces the concept of profiting from bad debt, explaining how individuals can use the profit from bad debt system to gain returns in a traditionally monopolized market. The financial dynamics of bad debt. The concept of buying bad debt is a profitable strategy where investors acquire debt portfolios at a significant discount, often purchasing debt for as little as 10 cents on the dollar. This method is not just for large-scale investors, even small investors can participate, especially when debt portfolios are available for specific geographical regions like zip codes. After purchasing the debt, investors place it with collection agencies or law firms that manage the debt collection process. These entities handle the collection work, leaving the investor to wait for the returns to come in. Footnote: this section discusses how bad debt is bought and sold, emphasizing the role of collection agencies and law firms in managing the process, while the investor waits for returns. Understanding debt purchase and portfolio collections. Bad debt, particularly credit card debt, is sold in portfolios to investors at a significant discount. This allows for substantial profits if the collection process is successful. Investors can start small, purchasing portfolios with a value of $500,000 for as little as $10,000. By collecting even 10% of the accounts in these portfolios, investors can see a return of over 3 times their investment. As the portfolios grow, so do the potential returns, with larger portfolios leading to even more significant gains. Footnote: this section highlights the profitability of debt purchase and portfolio collections, detailing how small investments can lead to significant returns through successful debt collection. The timing advantage in debt purchase. The timing of purchasing bad debt is crucial for maximizing profits. Debt portfolios are typically sold at the end of the year, particularly in the fourth quarter, as banks seek to offload large volumes of debt to meet their financial targets. This creates a supply-demand imbalance that lowers the cost of purchasing debt, making it an advantageous time for investors to buy. Additionally, the first quarter of the year is historically the best for debt collection, as collection agencies and law firms see increased success during tax season, when individuals are more likely to pay off old debts. Footnote: this section emphasizes the importance of timing in bad debt purchases, noting that the fourth quarter offers lower prices due to high volumes of debt being sold, and the first quarter is ideal for collecting debts. The control you have as an investor. One of the major advantages of investing in bad debt is the level of control you have over the collection process. As an investor, you have the power to decide how aggressive you want to be in pursuing collections, whether you want to take a settlement on the account or pursue it through the courts. This level of control allows investors to make decisions based on their risk tolerance and the financial potential of the debt, ensuring they can manage their investments effectively. Footnote: this section discusses the control investors have in managing bad debt collections, highlighting the flexibility to choose between settlement or legal action based on personal strategy. The advantages of the bad debt system. There are several key advantages to investing in bad debt. First, the timing is ideal, as debt prices are at a low point, offering high returns for investors. Additionally, the cost of purchasing bad debt is attractive, especially in light of the current economic conditions. The returns on investment can be substantial, with some portfolios yielding up to 400% ROI. This business model offers a high level of profitability, especially for those who understand how to leverage the system and make strategic investments. Footnote: This section outlines the advantages of investing in bad debt, including the low cost of purchasing debt and the high returns investors can expect from successful collections. How to get involved, the perfect time to act. The best time to get involved in the bad debt system is now. The current market conditions, along with the end-of-year debt sales, provide a perfect opportunity for new investors to enter the field. A training seminar will be held in Chicago in November, providing an ideal chance to learn the ins and outs of this profitable system. By attending, you can gain the knowledge needed to start profiting from bad debt immediately, with the guidance of industry experts who have a deep understanding of the process. Footnote: this section encourages individuals to take advantage of the current market conditions and attend a training seminar to learn how to profit from bad debt. Conclusion: the profit potential of bad debt investing. The opportunity to profit from bad debt is a powerful way to build wealth. By purchasing debt portfolios at discounted rates and leveraging collection agencies and law firms to do the heavy lifting, investors can see substantial returns. The system is designed for those who are willing to put in the effort and make strategic decisions based on timing, control, and market conditions. The potential for high returns, combined with the control investors have, makes this an ideal investment strategy for those looking to diversify their portfolio and profit from the nation's bad debt. Footnote: this section wraps up the discussion by reaffirming the potential for profit in bad debt investing, highlighting the control and strategy required for success.